Yeah, respond in chat window. Right. Yeah, Janaki, what is the doubt? How to? Speaking access. Yeah, end of the class will have speaking access. Now you have only typing access, charting access. Right. Ah. How many of you joined today class? Offline students, how many of you joined today? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Online students, how many of you joined today? Chat. Give me a reply in chat window. Okay. Right. Today is the second class. Yesterday, I have not discussed any subject. Yes, just yesterday, I have discussed 3 points. Number 1, knowing about me, knowing about yourself, and knowing about course. Just I have discussed these 3 concepts. Knowing about me, I am a MCA graduate, having 18 plus years of experience in teaching, 17 plus years of experience in development. Okay. And knowing about yourself, all you guys yesterday told that you are here for learning Java to become Java student. That is a wrong thought. You are here for learning project development. You are learning Java. You are learning Java not to know just what is there in Java. Am I right? You are here to learn Java to develop what projects. So our course must not be what just learning Java. Our course must be project development by using Java and Python language. And also I discussed when to use Python, okay, when to use Java, and also I discussed when to use Python. And tell me, will we use Java, Python for developing all different types of applications? Come on, expecting answer from everyone. Can I use Java and Python for developing all types of applications? No. Tell me, can I use English to speak in India? No. We will use what? Our regional languages based on our state. When we want to talk to all different people, then we will use English. When you go to foreign, will you speak, Telugu, Hindi? No. So based on the place you are, now you are going to speak, right? Same way here. When to use Java, when to use Python. And tell me, for developing enterprise applications, we will use what? Java. For developing data science or machine learning or artificial intelligence applications, we use what? Python. So which side you want to go, you have to take decision, right? So you want to develop enterprise applications, then learn Java. If you want to develop data science or machine learning applications, then use what? Python. So tell me, which applications development will get job easily? Enterprise application, because with enterprise application means a business application. You wanted to develop one business application. What the meaning of business application? There is a one company. Now this company is doing a lot of business like sales, selling, buying, lot of things, or providing some services to the customer. So his business wanted to make it as automated. He want to provide access to the remote user. For example, once upon a time, long ago, in the company, in the state called Noida, there's a company called, there's a small shop called what? Paytm. What is the shop name? Paytm. Do you know how? Paytm.com. When you know Paytm shop, we is there in Noida, one small shop, it is one small room. It's a mobile recharging shop, small shop. Now it's known to throughout India. Everybody knows about Paytm. Gully shop, even roadside, selling shop, small pachari shop, people also know that, Paytm. How? Because now they have moved their business as a online business. How they moved as an online business? By using Python or by using, by as a data science application or as an enterprise application? As an enterprise application. It was developed by using Python or Java? Java. Okay. Python is not meant for developing enterprise. One business application you want to develop. One business contain different operations you want to make as a project and provide access to the remote users, means the people who are exist throughout the world. You wanted to provide access. We need one application to develop. That business operations performing application is technically called what? Enterprise application. To develop a business application, either as a standalone application or a web application or enterprise application, basic business operations performing application you want to develop, I should use what? Java. Then tell me, every company want one application or not? Then now after COVID, now every chota bacha company, even gyms also, they want one software. Now tell me, to develop that software, what we use? Python we use or Java we will use? Then tell me, which language has more opportunities to get the job? Java. Every company has a huge number of data to search and analyze the data, generate the reports? No. Only big online shopping applications, Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, okay, Flipkart, and next one is what? Mobile OTT platforms, where you have more search operations, you have only those applications will have what? Data analyzation requirement. That applications required what? Machine learning, artificial intelligence applications required. For example, you take Netflix, you watch too much horror movie you watched. Suddenly you have seen some screen and you found something horror, you wanted to watch at midnight to 12 o'clock. They may mindset, okay, night time, midnight 9, all the switches are off. All lights are off. Then started, watching that movie. After that movie completed, at last down 3 movies will come because you watch this movie like horror movies. 3 more movies are there. Do you like to watch? Okay, tell me, that is Java, that is Python. Based on your interest, based on your taste, now it is picking 3 movies and showing you background, that application, Netflix application developed by using Java, and background the data science application or machine learning application developed by using Python. So that's what yesterday we have discussed. Is it clear my point? So we have now the industry is running on 2 applications. Number 1, enterprise applications, data science application. To develop enterprise application, we use Java. To develop data science and machine learning, artificial intelligence application, we use Python. Okay, let me give a quick idea about what is the meaning of AI. AI is nothing. AI applications, of course, you know very well. Your Hello Siri, Hey Siri. Hey Siri application, okay Google, these are what? AI applications. Based on the instruction you are giving, it is reply. Nowadays, WhatsApp is giving one service. Every company is a WhatsApp automated service is giving. Now if you send message hi, it is giving list of 4 options. Then from the 4 options, again it is giving some information. Based on the questions you are sending, it is replying answers to you. That application is called what? AI application, artificial intelligence application. If you want to develop that kind of applications, what knowledge required? Python knowledge required. Otherwise, yeah, ChatGPT also AI application. That is the best example, ChatGPT. So how many of you know about ChatGPT application? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You also feeling that ChatGPT is killing developers? Any new concept is coming, people are started, sending one rumor in the market. What? Killing. Are a ChatGPT application, how it can kill a developer's roles? Wow. Again, Python came, killing Java. ChatGPT came, killing what? Developers role. All our jobs are gone. Sir, what I should? Many students are asking me that question. ChatGPT is one application. It is meant for helping the developers to develop a code in a fast manner. That's it. It is just helping. ChatGPT cannot develop application. Chat GPT, if you ask, Are bhai, I want, find the given number, percentage number, I want to find one program. Percentage finding one number program I want. Palindrome number finding program I want. If you ask one question, the question answer it will give. You go and ask, hello chat GPT, develop bank application for me. It look at your face. How do I know? What services you want? What is your requirement? How do I know to develop bank application? I cannot develop, get out, it will scold you. Okay. I'll show you chat GPT in the class coming days. Okay. Right. So what the final point? Enterprise application, data science application, two applications, Java, Python, both are ruling the market. Now both are required for software industry. Hence, what is our target? Our course details yesterday we concluded. Our course name is Core Java and Python. Both you have to learn. Not just Core Java, not just Core Java. Okay, you have to learn with what? Project development. Is it clear my point? If you just learn Core Java, getting job is very, very difficult. You must learn up to project development level so that you can survive in the market easily. Okay, I have a small question. All the people try to think and understand now. Up to this point we have discussed yesterday. Yes or no, guys? People who are missed yesterday class? Okay, I have discussed up to here. Now today, I want to continue from here onwards. Yesterday just I have concluded course name. What is our course name? Just learning Core Java, not sufficient. So you have to learn Core Java up to what? Project development. Then next, just learning Core Java with project development. Is it okay? Not okay. You should also learn what? Python. Because once you got job in the company to develop enterprise application, okay, once you develop project as enterprise application, you got the job in the company. In that company, you may require to develop some scripts wherein Python also. Okay, that's why I decided I want to give you awareness on Python also. So you are going to learn Core Java in detail. We are mastering Core Java. Along with the Core Java, at end of every topic of Java, for 15 minutes, we are going to discuss about Python on the today topic. For example, yesterday I have shown you something like this. Now, I am developing one addition program in Java. Quickly for the people who missed yesterday class, I am revising. Now, I want to develop addition logic in Java. Then what you write? This is our Java program. In the Java program, what you write now? I want to add some numbers. Then first I have to take one variable int a equal to 10. Next, int b equal to 20, int c equal to 30. Okay, first we develop hello world application. Okay, first we develop hello world application. Then once you develop hello world application in Java to learn, then what we do? Python program we will write. So what you write Python program? Very simple. Alt Fn. Now you choose what? Python syntax here, Python. Then what you write? Simply print of double quotes, hello world. And what I did, really I don't type. Simply I will copy this part. This is what? Java syntax. Class, main method, closed bracket is what? Java syntax. Object oriented programming syntax. Whereas Python is following what syntax? Scripting syntax is more dominating. So we will follow scripting syntax. Just we copy Java logic, paste here, we delete it. That's all. Python program ready. Oh, lot semicolon will not be there. Okay, na? Python program ready. Tell me, once you spend 15 to 20 minutes on Java, how much time you should spend on Python? 1 minute. Completed Python. For this, you need to pay extra 4,000, 5,000 rupees. Okay, na? Are you ready, na? Right? Next, you develop addition logic. Okay. Now, next, second program we are writing addition. So, see how much simple learning second language. Once you learn one language, learning second language is very easy. Int a equal to, int b equal to. Ashwini, are you writing any running notes? Ashwini, are you writing any running notes? Then I'm speaking very slow, Mama. If you want to write running notes, then you will feel very fast, right? I'm speaking very, very slow. Okay. Right. And now look at here. This is addition program in Java. Then tell me, what is the logic in, what is the addition logic in Python? Copy. And go to Python. How to open Python? Alt Fn. Okay, go to other and then come to where now? Python. And here paste. Here we in Python, we no need to write int and all. Okay, you can remove it simply. That's all. Remove. Python program ready. So we spend 15 minutes on Java, 1 minute on Python. Khatam. So tell me 2 languages at a stretch we are learning. And finally, okay, so finally we are learning how many languages? 2 languages. Core Java and Python, means Java and Python we are learning together. Actually, I don't like to add the word core because Java means Java, core Java, advanced Java, that's we'll see later. First, let me conclude Java and Python with project development. So hope you understand up to now. Okay, I have one small question. Continue. Now I'm trying to talk continuation to yesterday class. So yesterday missed students and today, yesterday attended, not attended, all people are now equal. Okay, all the people answer, sir. Once you learn Java or core Java and Python also, then you are attending interview. In interview, will they ask you develop a project? Come on. In the interview room, will they ask develop a project? No. In the interview room, they will ask you definitions. Can you tell me anything you know ever about data types in Java? Do you know anything about operators in Java? Do you know anything about control flow statements in Java? When to use for loop, when to use for each loop, when to use a while loop, when to use break, when to use continue. Do you know about constructor? Do you know about method? What the difference between constructor and method? What the difference between constructor and static block? What is when to use throw, when to use throws, when to use try, when to use catch? This kind of questions they will ask. Where we learn that kind of questions answers? Here, as part of this course, can you please guess? As part of this course, which level you are going to learn all the definitions? Java or project? Come on, you have to respond. You should not sit silently. Yesterday you were very active. Today again dull. What happened? 24 hours gap. Right? Again I should start motivation you. Right? Come on, get up. Tell me, which part you are learning? As part of Java learning or as part of project learning? As part of Java. As part of Java learning, you are going to learn definitions and all. And then small programs you are going to write. Okay, na? By small definitions, small programs, are you expecting they will ask that kind of questions in the written test exam? No. Some tricky questions they will ask, where you have to apply your brain. Now, in intermediate, you know something called, intermediate. And next MSET training, MSET coaching, and you have something called IEEE. Okay, you have JEE, right? Different levels of training is there, na? Same level. And if you take MCA, in MCA we have MSET. And if you want to go to MSET exam, BSc, after BSc you should write ISET exam, and the competitive exams are there, na? So whatever you have in a regular, your intermediate or your BTech, is that sufficient to pass your competitive exams? Is that knowledge sufficient to pass competitive exam? No. You are putting some extra efforts to prepare for the competitive exams, na? Yes or no? Tell me. Now, if you want to write some bank exam, you are getting questions at basic 5th to 8th class level, arithmetic reasoning only, na? Tell me. Is that basic 5th class to 8th class arithmetic reasoning knowledge sufficient? No. You are preparing some more extra efforts you are putting to learn some extra questions, bits you are running, na? Same way, just learning Java is not sufficient for passing written test exam. Just learning Java will give you basic definition knowledge, and then what? Small program, compilation and execution. Now, in the written test exam, they are going to ask you some tricky questions. Some, where you need to use your common sense, where you need to use your brain little bit. If you don't get practice on that written test based tricky questions, tell me, can you pass those exams? No. Every exam you go and every interview you attend, fail with a smile face. You come. This also I failed. Okay. Next interview. Interviews are coming, going. But your result is what? Same. Fail. Tell me now. You want to fail every interview, or you want to make your first interview as a last interview? Come on. You want to make your first interview as a last interview? Yeah, I am ready to help you. Are you ready to help to yourself? Really? How can I help yourself to spend more time with me? Only one thing I will ask. Okay, what is that? Spend more time. Spend more time. If you don't spend the time, see, you want to get big atta, big roti, utna atta dena padta hai na. Thoda thoda hindi malum mereko. Okay, right. So enta roti kavalante anta pindi pettali kada rabbai, right? Same thing. So if you want more knowledge, you need to spend what? More time. How much more time? Yeah, olden days I used to spend only for core Java 8 months to 7 to 8 months I used to spend. Okay, now if you ask your seniors, only core Java I used to teach 7 to 8 months. That much syllabus I used to teach. With that knowledge, all your senior students are now rocking in software industry. They never look back. They are moving on. Now, almost all my students are working in R&D department, research and development department of IT companies. They are that much strong knowledge level they have. That much internals they know. That much programming knowledge they got. Clear my point? But slowly going on, you youngsters not having that much patience. Oh, yeah, 8 months water. How can I spend that much? Just now, today, and you'll become what now more addicted to. That is a 2 minutes. What is it, Maggie? So like that, 20 matches, just like that, just like that should complete. One student last week came and asked, sir, is it possible to complete 1 week? Namaskar. Okay. How can you complete in 1 week? Sir, you want me to spend morning to evening, sir. I want complete core Java in 1 week. Urgent requirement is there, sir. I need to join in the job. Please don't accept that kind of opportunities, because later you will cry like anything in the company. Getting job is easy, sir. After getting job, sustaining the company without having proper basic knowledge is very, very, very difficult. You will get pressure. Too much pressure you will get. Recently, one of my student has given one information. Okay, somewhere in the WhatsApp it is there. His friend got a job in one company with 2 years of bond. He joined without proper knowledge. Then after joining the company, now he started facing lot of problems, not understanding anything in the company. He completed core Java from Amirpet. How many days? 45 days. Over. Somehow he got the job. Then real Java he started seeing there, and slowly he started not understanding anything there, what is happening. He started getting lot of pressure, and then team lead, team manager also not helping him, and project architecture, everything explaining but not understanding. Why? Because in our training core Java, what we teach? Only definition, small program. Next definition, small program. What is the use of that knowledge? You want to become a Java student to write exams in the exam? I mean, are you write any final year exam to pass the exams? No. You are learning Java for what purpose? Pass the interviews and further to develop the projects in the company. So your learning process should be towards what? Project development. Are you catching? Then now this person not having that much strong knowledge, not understanding what is happening in the company, and finally after 3 months he resigned. Then to break the bond, he has to pay 2 lakhs. Then he told to that company, Babu, I don't want your offer, your final relieving letter, experience letter, nothing I want. Just you accept my resignation, I'm leaving. Almost 3-4 months salary also he took. Okay, na? And that salary, the 2 years of bond breaking also not giving money. He left the company and come out next day onwards, not going. And he decided he want to sit again and learn complete Java once again. Full Java, strong knowledge, he wanted to gain. You want also face such kind of problems? No, right? So let's try to spend sufficient time. Okay, now I should spend 8 months or sir, then not required. Okay, because I know you don't have that much patience. 8 months not time are not required. Just you have to spend 3 months time. 3 months in the class, 2 hours. After class completed, with you yourself in room, 2 more hours. Are you following? So totally for core Java, how many hours you have to sincerely spend the time? 4 hours. Tell me now, 2 hours per day. How many months I took as earlier? 8 months. Okay, now 8 months I used to teach. Completely you are spending time with me. Now what we are doing? Per day, 4 hours we are spending. Are you ready? 2 hours in the regular class 6 to 8, and then now after going to home, your wish, immediately from 9 p.m. onwards you want to spend, or next day you want to spend, that's up to you. So in the Google Classroom, I will start sending you practice question paper assignments. I will send you. Okay, those assignments you have to practice. Once you practice, next day in the class, if you have any doubts, you have to ask. I will clear your doubts. Are you catching my point? So we are to save the time. Now I divided our syllabus into 2 parts. What is that? Classwork and homework. So in homework, if I got a doubt, who will help me, sir? I will only help. 24/7, 365 days, I will be available online. Anytime you send me message on WhatsApp, I will respond to you. Tell me, brother, what is your doubt? So this is not understand. Okay, connect me. Okay, I will call you to your number and I'll explain you, and I will disconnect again. Are you following? So if you are more interested, I am more interested. Are you following? Right. So I am here to help you to survive, help you to get the knowledge and survive in the company. So that's why my syllabus is 100% knowledge I am giving you. Understand? Now, my question is very important. Try to answer again. Now tell me, just by learning Java, by learning project development, can you pass in written test exam? 100% no. Because Java, you are learning definitions and basic programs, and project development is just learning how to develop the project. But between, we have to do something. That is what? Preparing for interview. The preparing interview also I want to include today. Yesterday, I didn't tell you. Okay, now today I'm including that interview preparation also. Are you okay for it? Shall I? Right. That interview preparation, people are calling it as OCJD. What we are calling? OCJD. What the meaning of OCJD? Oracle Certified Java Developer. What is that? Oracle Certified Java Developer. Tell me now, once you pass intermediate, you will call intermediate passed student now. Once you pass MCA, you will call MCA passed student, BTech passed student. Like that, Oracle company is conducting Java final exam. Okay, that exam name is what? Oracle Certified Java Developer. I am making you prepare. I am making you prepare for not only regular company interviews, also I am preparing you up to the level of Oracle certification. Are you following my point? I am also Oracle certified. Okay, I also written exam, I also passed. Okay, because I know the question paper pattern and what type of questions asked, what way you have to think, okay, what way you have to get the job, everything I know the procedure. Start from 0 to up to the project development, 3+ years of experience. What are the different stages? Beginner, intermediate, expert, certified, project developer, lead, team project manager, all the stages I know. I'm going to bring you to all the stages until you get the job. I'm going to teach you everything. Are you following? Just you need to follow me, and whenever I say something, do it blindly. You have to do it. How many months you have to work hard? Just 3 months. These 3 months, if you don't bend your body and not working hard for core Java for 3 months, 4 hours per day, then definitely you are going to face several problems. Are you following my point? 3 months if you work hard, next coming 30 years, 3 months if you work hard, next coming 30 years of your life will be happy. 60 years only, right? You want to live more than 60 years? Okay, 60 years more than enough. Okay, right. So we can well settle and can become rich fellows. Okay, we can help our siblings live happily, our parents live happily, your next generation live happily. So 3 months is going to change your life. Hope you all ready for this race. Are you ready? Right? So I am also including OCJD and also one more called JVM architecture. Okay, na? JVM architecture. So what is our course? Java and Python with project development, including OCJD and JVM architecture. Ento sir, we came for only bacha concept called core Java, but you made it as this much lengthy. Okay na, not okay na? Can I do na? Cannot to do na? Correct? Yeah. So many people are thinking this, very, very, very dangerous people you generation people are. Really, I'm saying, when we were earlier, when my teacher is saying something, You have to do this. Okay, sir, we will do. Why we will think like that? Teacher there, na? Come on, guys. Please try to understand the difference between you and old generation we people. If parent or teacher saying, you have to do this, then blindly we will start doing. Why? We start believing our parents and we believe our teacher. If somewhere if I struck up, somewhere if I'm troubling, somewhere I'm facing the problem, my teacher there, he will guide me. My parent is there, he will help me. But you guys are the most dangerous people. Never believe your teacher and parent. Okay, when I say, I am there, no, I know, I cannot. That much pain who will take? 2020 match, na? That is the problem. Okay, so patience is not there. Efforts, you never put your any efforts. 5% efforts you put, Babu, 95% efforts I am going to put. That 5 also I don't try. No. Okay, 1 month batch complete, I'll be happy. What will you do with that 1 month course? It's useless. I'm telling you, useless. If you are really decided to learn Java just in 1 month or 2 months, better pack up your bags and go back to your hometown. It's useless, I'm telling you. Okay, you have to learn this entire syllabus, then only you are useful for something in the software industry, and you can have happy life. You will never feel anything pressure. Believe me, you never feel pressure. When our team lead is saying something with a smile face, you will start listening him. Try to visualize. Team lead came, Hurry, today we got one requirement. Yes, boss, tell me what you want me to do. With a smile face, you can respond. If you don't learn this everything, that 1 month course or 2 months course, if you learn, unfortunately, you got the job. Understand my statement? Unfortunately, if you got the job, if team lead coming, hello, hurry, today, what task you tell me? Tension will come. Okay, heartbeat is going, BP get down. Are you following my point? You want that life? Huh? No. So let's spend 1 more month. That's why I'm saying you totally the duration of this course is what? 3 months. Because I'm motivating you because of you guys are not ready to put efforts. So it's a time you have to change your attitude. 3 months I am taking, 45 days regular Java, 20 more days you need for project, and 15 days for OCJD, 10 days for what? JVM architecture. So because I'm extra adding, extra time you have to spend. Okay, 3 months, you can ask your parents, Mama, Daddy, Mommy, so my sir is telling all this nonsense, okay na? Then your mother or father will come next to you and beating you like anything and say, go and join. So when he is teaching more extra topics without taking extra money, what is your problem? Go and join. Correct my point? Next, daily class timing will be, what the class timing? Come on, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Initially, the class will be up to 7:30 only. Small class adjustment is required. So once the classroom is adjusted, then class will be maximum from Monday, Tuesday. Our class will be up to 8 o'clock. Understand? So these 2-3 days, class will be up to 7:30. 2 hours you have to be ready. 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay. Weekly classes, 6 days per week will be there, Monday to Saturday. And if at all required, I will take Sunday class. Sunday will be optional. 99.99% I will not take. Okay, na? JVM is the software which will run your Java program. Okay. If you know JVM architecture, you will become mechanic. And any problem coming in Java project, you can solve by your own without anybody help. So if you learn this much, you will become a car driver. If you learn JVM architecture, you will become car driver come mechanic. Okay, na? Any problem coming in the car, you can solve yourself. Car is nothing but our software. Okay. So more details I'll explain the coming classes. So now duration is 3 months. Course timing is what? 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Weekly classes, 6 days per week will be there, Monday to Saturday. Sunday, you know, I just wanted to make it not assignments daily will be there. Sunday star mark. If required, I'll take, otherwise not required. 99.99% Sunday classes will not be there. And fees is regular fees 2,500. Okay, as other faculties core Java taking. Now the extra fees 5,000 for Python free, 1,500 for OCJD JVM architecture. 1 minute, I should add 4,000 here. Okay. 4,000 for Python free, 5,000 for project development free, 1,500 for OCJD free, 1,000 for JVM architecture free. This much effort of fees I am giving you free of cost. Please try to utilize that opportunity. Which version Java we are going to learn? Up to version Java 19, latest version. By the time your batch completed, we are also getting 20 in the next month, March, February over now. By March 15th, you are going to get Java 20 version. So Java 20 version also we are going to learn. Up to Java 20 version we are learning. So then company required which version, sir? Okay, array 1+, so yesterday also you asked, today also you are asking. Waiter, why a sugar patient? That's what I am saying, impatient. I am trying to tell one by one, you are asking your own questions. Sorry for that. Okay. That's why I'm saying now generation is impatient. Have some patience, buddy. Okay. I'll tell all the points. Slowly come. Look at here. Now the company is required Java 8 version and Java 11 version. So companies are expecting knowledge up to what? Java 8 version and 11 version. Okay, na? Right. Java 8 version and 11 version. Ganesh, this is online class, Ganesh. Are you not listening? Are you not seeing what I'm saying? Rare. Okay. So up to Java 8. Okay, let me add Baba. Mode of the course mode. Okay. Both offline and online. Happy na, Ganesh? Right. So now the companies are expecting up to which version? Up to Java 8 and what? 11 version. But we will going to learn up to 20 version. What are the new features are added? Everything we are going to learn. I am not going to conduct as a separate sessions on the new features. As part of the chapter, what are the new features are coming? That I am going to teach you. So recently I have covered one chapter for juniors. Look at that. 9 a.m. you are just seniors batch. I covered keywords, reserved words, okay, up to the latest version. Okay, now look at that, enum 1.5 version, and here, if you go down, you will see, look at there, all different keywords came in different versions, 13, 14, 15, 17. Okay, so in which version, which keyword came, why came, all the details I'm going to cover as part of the chapter. Separately, I don't cover. Okay, now, right. Then next. Look at here. Very, very important. What are the prerequisites to learn Java? So for non-IT background students, okay? Now, no prerequisites. You can learn Java as your first language. Okay, na? So offline koda undi. Okay, na? You come and join from tomorrow offline. Okay? Right. So you can learn Java as your first language. Is it clear, Nana? Right. There is no prerequisite required. C not required. C++ knowledge is not required. Even you don't know about computer also, no problem. I will teach you everything. Start from the file, how to open file, everything. So who can attend my course? Especially I'm talking about my core Java course. Who can join? Whoever wanted to learn programming and want to do IT job can learn Java. That student can be a high school student, 5th class onwards. 5th class onwards, anyone can join. Next, +2 degrees to, intermediate students, degree BSc, BCA, PG. Degree and BTech also will come, right? And PG students, any working employee who want to upgrade their knowledge, who are not understanding in the company what is happening, you want to understand better way, also you can join. In my class, slowly you will come to know once the demo class is completed. High school students also will be the 6 p.m. now. Their school is completed. They are free now. High school students also will be the last batch I have. 5th class student, 7th class student, 9th class student, intermediate students also I have. And slowly you will come to know 6 p.m. and I cannot guarantee. Morning 7 a.m. means working employees will be there. But 6 p.m. means they are busy with office work. They may not be there now in your batch. Okay. Next, how can I share the material? Very, very important. This is the most important people. Okay. Now, I will share complete material as a soft copy. Online students, please stop asking questions. Listen what I'm saying. I'll answer all your questions. One by one question I'm answering, right? Please, don't ask any questions. Please concentrate on what I'm saying. I will share complete material as a soft copy through Google Drive. Already complete material is dumped. Okay, I'll show you that material in the local system. I'm giving you complete details. Okay, till session completed, don't post any questions. That's a bad attitude, right? Online students, what do you say? Very, very bad attitude. Look at here. So this is the complete material. I have prepared my own textbook. I will not follow any textbook. I'm not only trainer, not only developer, also a textbook author. I have written my own core Java book. Okay. I have named them as Core Java with SEJP and JVM architecture. This is the book. Core Java with SEJP and JVM architecture. This title is old title. I have to update it. Core Java with SEJP and JVM architecture. Olden days, when Java is under Sun Microsystem, the certification name is SEJP. Once the Java is sold to Oracle Corporation, people has named it as what? OCJD. OCJD they have named. So now this book is having, I have written complete book in 3 books, volume 1A, volume 1B and volume 2. Three books I have written. Okay, first 2 books are covering object-oriented programming, logical programming. Third book is covering Java library. In these 3 books, I need to add some more content because of not finding the time. I used to give running notes in the running classes and taken Xerox and prepared more 3 Xerox material. So totally all these 3 books, around 1000 plus papers, 1500 papers are there. All these 1500 papers I am going to teach you in the regular class. So I will share the complete material, and also we are going to write running notes during the class, because you are the beginner, fresher, just started your programming career, programming life. If you don't write notes, your brain cannot accept. If it is advanced Java or if it is a Spring, means high-end courses, I can directly share the material. But when you are a programmer, just started your career, so some programs you have to write. By writing, everything you understand. You know, right, in childhood, we have one statement, one slogan, 10 times writing, 1 time writing is equal to 10 times reading. Okay, na? So that's always I'll believe. 1 time you write, 10 times, reading is equal. So some programs, every program we are writing in the class. So slowly, once I feel that, yes, you are now comfortable with Java, every word, every program understanding, then I will start at what? Sharing the material directly on Google Classroom. Okay, then come to the recordings. Online students, recordings. Okay, na? Now your answer came, Rabadi. No recordings. Happy, yeah? Happy na? Online students, you only asking na recording, right? Answer you are coming. No recording, only live classes. Okay, every day you should join the class to learn. If you found recording classes, we will file a case on you. Are you following my point? How can you know, sir, I am recording or not? I will ask you to share your screen. Okay, na? Right. So every day I will choose 10 students during the class. Okay. And then I'll ask them to share their screen and I can find out. Okay. Every day you have to join the class. Every day I'll take attendance. Coming days, you all people are joining to the class through what? App. We have NareshIT is having our own app. Through app, you have to join the class. So every day attendance is going to maintain. If you are not coming to the class, then you have to answer why you are not coming. Okay, now 1 day come, 10 days not coming. What the use of joining the course? Don't join. If you really have the time to learn, then only join. Don't waste your time and money for just for fun to join the class. Why you don't share the recording, sir? What is the problem? Okay. If I share the recording, slowly you will become what? Lazy. And you'll get a feeling, anyways, recording there, later I can watch later. That later becomes never. You never listen the class. You never learn the class. Day by day, syllabus is going on, but day by day, you are becoming lagging, going back. Okay, na? Finally, course completed, and you will be end up with only recorded videos, and you never learn. But your classmates who are learning sincerely, they are learning subject. Immediately after course completed, they will get the job, and they will become seniors to you. You will join the course again. So to not have that problem, I don't share recordings. Are you catching my point? Then, sir, if I miss the class, what should I do, sir? Very good question. If the miss class in your college, what you did? You ask your college lecturer, give me recording of the morning class, I missed the class. Then your college lecturer slap you and then ask, what is your number? Internal marks cut, right? How did you cover your missed classes? Through your friends. You contact your friends. Are you catching? How can I contact my friends? Sir, I am online attending. I don't have any friend. That's why I'm creating a Telegram group. Okay, WhatsApp group will not be there. Telegram group will be there. Through your class private Telegram, you contact your classmates to clear your doubts. And daily material page number, I'll tell you. You can happily join and you can read it and then come. If one day miss the class, if you are not understanding, means that's really bad. Okay, right? You will understand everything. So what you need to do, you have to come live class. If you come to the live class, then only take admission. Otherwise, don't take admission. So wait for next batch. Every 15-20 days, I will have batch. One batch morning will be there, one batch evening. Now we have evening batch, right? Next 15 days, you will have morning batch. Wow, look at that. Again, online students are very impatient people. When I say Telegram group, will I tell you, right? Bangar Kondra vasla. Okay, guys, online students, especially all these doubts. Hope all doubts are clear to you now. Ashwini, you can ask directly, don't take permission. No need to take permission. Directly you can ask question. How many students per batch offline? How many students are there? Then you will join. Do you have any count? These many people only I will join, like that. Don't worry about how many students are there. You need one chair, that chair you think about it. That's it. Morning 7 a.m. batch may take time, buddy. I cannot confirm. All right. So course details, all people are comfortable. I'm sharing in your Google Classroom. Okay. Agenda. Now by seeing this, enjoy. Now I'm also adding. This is the yesterday class video, day 1 video. Yeah, course completion certificate will be provided. Next. All the people open your mobile, please. Both offline students, online students, open your mobile. Your admin numbers are not yet confirmed. Okay, but my number is confirmed. Okay, na? Save this number. Array, yaar, online students, again and again I'm saying, you are impatient here. Wait here. I'm giving everything. Why you are wasting your energy? I'm sharing, Nana. That's why I ask you, open your mobile. This is my number. Okay, na? If admin's not responding, then only contact me. Array, tumri fellow, don't test my number working or not. It's not fake number. Actual correct number only. Okay. Don't call me. Okay. Enjoy. Next. Google Classroom code. Open Google Classroom app. Open Google Classroom app. Offline students, I hope you have Google Classroom app, right? No? Download from Google Play Store. And then add this code. Screen not sharing. Gopal Krishna. Already screen shared, man. This is the Google Classroom code. And online students, please click this link and join. Everyone joined? So all updates I will give you from this Google Classroom. Right. Please don't call. Only send WhatsApp message. Okay, na? I will not lift the phone. Remember, when you want to contact me, only send WhatsApp message. I will not lift the phone. Don't call. Next. In this Google Classroom, demo classes recording will be uploaded. Okay, now once the payment is completed, okay, once the payment is completed, there are no recordings. Live classes only will be there. Okay, now remember that. So now this is the very important information. You can change batch mode from offline to online, online to offline. For this, you have to contact your class admin. You cannot continue both modes. Both I want to continue online, offline, not possible. Okay, right. For any reason, if you want to discontinue course, listen, you must inform to admin through WhatsApp and save that WhatsApp message. Means you are apply for a break, then you can continue to the next batch for the topic you stopped. If you don't inform, you will be considered as attended full course. So this is what very important message for all the students. I am sharing this entire information in our Google Classroom. You can collect it. Okay. Right. Yeah, how to do payment, fees and all, I will let you know later. Don't worry about now. Yeah, a last class video is it here, and I think today class also going recording. Data structures will be part of core Java. It is a collections, buddy. I'll tell you. Okay. Okay, guys. Shall I proceed next point? Okay. Now, I want all you people know about the syllabus. Ready? Yeah? Core Java syllabus. So all people are waiting for this. What message? Hi, Tariq. Yeah, Telegram link, not now. I'll share you later. What message you send, Anna? And I complete core Java in January and got job in Delhi, but my team leader told me to teach Java. So, Superman. Okay, so he is my old student. Now he can teach in his company because he's having more knowledge. Congrats, buddy. So this is the power of learning subject in depth. Okay, he's going to teach for 13 developers. So company team lead got, he's having the sufficient knowledge to teach the people. Okay, fine. And now look at here, sir. Now core Java syllabus, quickly I'm going to give you information. I divided core Java into 3 units, sir. Unit number 1, what do you call? Java basics. Okay, Java basics first you are going to learn. Then next unit number 2, we are going to learn object oriented programming. Okay, please try to understand object oriented programming. And unit number 3, you are going to learn logical programming. Okay, and next, no need to write anything, please try to focus. Unit number 4, we are going to learn Java library. It is also called what? API. And finally, we are end up with unit number 5, where you are going to learn project development. So we divided core Java syllabus from very basics to up to the project level. Okay, considering offline or considering what you call non-IT background students and IT background students. So I'm starting from very 0 level onwards. Okay, it is a top level. I want you to see the complete syllabus. Are you ready to see? Hope you will not get fear by seeing the complete syllabus. Hope you will not get fear. Okay, so this is the complete syllabus what I am going to teach. Okay, quickly, please give me 2 minutes time. I need to explain. Some important points are there I need to highlight here. All your doubts will be cleared. Please concentrate. Look at here. As part of this course, I am teaching you 3 important architectures. Number 1, MVC architecture. Number 2, JVM architecture. Number 3, LCRP architecture. 3 important architectures you are going to learn. MVC, JVM, LCRP. Okay, with these 3 architectures help, you are going to become very, very, very confident on projects and programs both. MVC and LCRP architecture will give you full confidence on projects development. JVM architecture will give you full confidence on understanding any program execution flow and giving you correct output. And I am specialized in 3 important chapters where your seniors are becoming so powerful in understanding subject and doing good in the company. That is what? Static members, non-static members, compiler adding, illegal forward, recursive method, and different ways of loading the classes into the JVM. So these topics will make your seniors very strong understanding the Java internals. These 4-5 chapters are making me unique in core Java. For last 18 years, these 4-5 chapters are making me different from other faculties and other students. Okay, right. So I am going to teach you every topic. Okay, start with very 0 level, and then every topic I will end up with a project development. Okay, now here look at there, more practice examples, and then we are going to develop what? More project. So if once the topic completed, once the related topics completed, we are going to develop project. Here one sample project you are developing. Once object-oriented programming basics completed, again we are developing one sample project. Once object-oriented programming principles, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and its related topics completed, again we are going to develop one project. Okay, and next again once again some more related topics completed, Java 8 new features and all, again we are going to develop, okay, one more project here. Every level, by combining the multiple topics, we are going to develop one sample project. So tell me, core Java with project development, by the time our course completed, we are going to develop minimum 5 mini projects and finally one major project. So tell me, with that project knowledge, okay, and also we are going to develop logical programs. Okay, by end of the course completed, especially for your, your 9 AM senior batch and your batch, minimum we are going to develop exclusively logical programs, around 500 plus logical programs you are going to develop. With that 500 programs, any question asked in the written test exam, you can easily answer. Okay, na? Last chair, if you want to talk, you can leave. If you want to talk, you can leave the class. No objection. Okay, na? I'm not talking nonsense here, right? If you are not interested to listen, you can leave the class. No objection. Okay, na? Seriously, I'm saying, don't disturb other people in the class. Now look at here, sir. Logical programming, operators, control flow statements, arrays, algorithms. And then here I mentioned 100 plus, but in your batch, I'm going to increase. Okay, right. Now number-based programs. In previously, I have given them as assignments to your senior students. I said you only develop because of time lacking. So now daily I'm going to share you the programs and assignments I'm giving next in the discussing in the classes. Number-based programs, character-based programs, pattern-based programs, array-based programs, searching and sorting algorithms. You may ask, sir, my friend learns string-based programs also, sir. String handling-based programs here coming. Okay, na? String-based programs. Everything we are going to learn systematic way. Minimum 500 plus programs we are going to learn exclusively logical programs, including object-oriented program. Totally 1000 plus programs you are going to learn by end of the course. And next, look at here. This is Java API. We are going to learn, which starts with what? API and API documentation. Okay, and then we are learning overview on Java language, understanding java.lang.object, wrapper classes, exception handling, multi-threading. Multi-threading we are learning with concurrent API, executor framework, reentrant locks. Okay, semaphores and mutex. Up to here, I can guarantee you future and future task also. Java 8 compatible feature also. Remaining thing I cannot. Yeah, only one thing I'm missing, fork and join. I will try. I'll try in your batch also to cover fork and join also. Now your senior batch, I'm covering these all the topics now. Fork and join, I will try for your batch also. Okay, all right. So now this is a multi-threading chapter enhancements, and then string handling up to the latest feature we are learning. IO streams, networking out, we are not going to discuss. All people are asking data structures covered or not. Data structures in Java we call collections framework. We are covering collections framework up to the data structures depth. Interviewers nowadays asking, create your own array list, create your own linked list, create your own stack, create your own hash map. So this kind of questions they are asking. I am preparing you that much level. Okay, for passing interview, whatever the knowledge you required, everything I am going to cover. And next, nowadays interviewers are asking, listen, these logical programs you are developing like in C and C++ style, but nowadays interviewers are asking another style of logical programs development, that is called stream API, functional programming, stream API and functional programming. They will ask, find biggest number of given two numbers by using Java 8 stream. Find the percentage of given number by using Java 8 stream. Find given number even or odd or by using Java 8 stream. So whatever the 500 programs you are developing with logical program, almost all every program you will going to redevelop by using what? Stream API. Who? You. All 500 programs I will not teach. Some programs I will show you by using stream API. Remaining programs you have to redevelop by your own by using stream API. Understand? Right? Every topic what you required for developing project and a new date and time API is also very, very important. So 2 chapters I'm not going to cover, networking and then AWT swing on Java FX. These 2 topics are out from the market. Now Java side, we are not using these 2 chapters, not required. Don't waste your time to learn. And next, I'm teaching Java with the IDEs Eclipse, STS and IntelliJ. NetBeans not required, that is the Jamana gone. And next, finally, we end up all these chapters, every chapter, 100 plus topics we are learning. All these 100 plus topics by using, we are developing one final project where we are using core Java for developing logics, collections and file system as a mini database. One standalone project we are going to develop, and also I will develop a project. I will not explain directly. I will develop and I will run this project. And the complete details of developing you are going to learn in advanced Java. In core Java, this project directly I will run to show you the usage of collection as a transferable object. So on collection, you have to learn 2 projects. Number 1, collection as a transferable object, collection as a mini database. As a mini database, I will develop in the class. As a transferable object also I will develop, but directly I will explain you through project we are going to develop. I'm not going to develop in front of you. I will directly show you the code. Okay, but this one we are developing from 0 level onwards. Okay, so finally by end of these 3 months or 3.5 months completed, you are going to learn all these 100 plus topics with 1,000 plus programs with what do you call 5 mini projects and 1-2 major projects you are going to learn. This much heavy syllabus. Are you ready to take it as a challenge and learn? 22 years you are enjoying now. At least now put some efforts, Rabbi. Now also you are looking at this much, and I cannot do anything, right? So it's the time. Yes, I got the best, trainer where he is ready to help me to get the full knowledge. At least I have to now come forward and put my efforts to learn. One time you learn, sir, 3.5 months of your efforts will change your next 30-40 years of your life. That promise I will give you. Okay, na? Right. You can go and inquire. Go to Google. Type Java Hari Krishna or type HK Programming World. You will get my reviews. Your seniors, not fake reviews. Okay. Your seniors shared the screenshot, their success story screenshots I have shared in Facebook pages. You can go and read. By looking at them, just you get motivated. Just now he shared. Now one student is sharing, right? So he sent 3-4 times, but I didn't consider it. I didn't read. Now again he's sharing. So it is now your turn. Ball is in your court. How much you are responsible taking it responsible, come forward and help yourself. I am ready to help you. Okay, na? So how many hours per day for core Java? 4 hours. 2 hours classwork and 2 hours homework. Okay, na? By end of our course completed, how many programs we have to develop? 1000 plus. How many projects? 5 mini projects and 2 major projects. Shall I ask a question? After learning this much syllabus with the complete project development knowledge, is your first interview will be the last interview or not? Is there any chance that you fail in the interview? By the time you are coming out from the interview, interviewer will ask one last question. Do you have any questions? Okay, then I will ask you few questions. If you don't answer, I will not join in your company. Okay, now you will come to that much confidence level or not? What do you say? Right. You should not in a position to beg for the job. You should in a position to demand job. Istava, Eva. Okay, will you give me job or not? No, get out. I'll go to another company. Is it a government job? You have only one job? No. Do you have any age limit? No. We are software engineers. We have plenty of opportunities and openings are there. Only thing is you have to search for it. That's it. Are you catching my point? Right? So many companies are there. If one company not up to your level, you can reject. You should come to a stage of rejecting companies, not companies rejecting you. Are you catching my point? You should have minimum 4 or 5 appointment letters in your hand, and you should start demanding. Yeah, that X company giving 4 lakhs per annum. Will you give 5 lakhs? Yes, I will come. Then release offer letter, 5 lakhs release. Then you call to Y company. Hello, this Z company is giving me 5 lakhs per annum. Will you give 6 lakhs? Yes, I will give. Come. So now you have to fight, create, game between, play the game with the companies, and you have to increase your package. This is how you have to work. All these secrets, slowly, I will tell you more secrets. Don't worry. This is software engineer playing games. Okay, companies also knows. Okay, don't worry. Which company ready to lose the skilled employee? Tell me. And next, students are asking me one more question. Sir, Google company recently 450 employees, 4,500 employees are removed. You want to be in that list? Company closed? In company no employees? Then why you are not considering the employee who didn't lose his job? Why are you considering the employee who lose his job? Are you following? If you are a skilled person, your job will not go anywhere. Why company ready to lose you? Company not closing, na? Your name should be last in the termination employees list. Remember, if you have this much knowledge, if you are a skilled employee, your name will be always last in the list. If you are a Tumri fellow, means no knowledge, just you are a time passing person, immediately name will come the top in the list. When company is in recession, company is in the loss, when company looking for the cost cutting, first they will do what? Remove the employees. Who? The employee whom can be removed now and can get again later, those people will be removed. So don't be in that list. Always look positive. Don't look at negative. Okay, in the company already few employees are there. Why they are? They are skilled. Now I also let me improve my skills. That's it. I will also have my job. My job never go. Next, sir, so much of competition there, sir. For how many seats? For how many jobs? How many jobs you want? One job. You get more full knowledge. Your job is there. Why you are worrying about how much competition is there? Don't look at competition. You look at your seat. I want this job. For this job, how much knowledge I have, how much weakness I have. Okay, what are the skills I have to improve? Work on them. You compare yourself. Don't worry about other people. Are you ready for it? Right? Today onwards, we started working on this syllabus day by day, one by point by point, we are going to learn. And finally, we are going to complete the syllabus within 3.5 months. Is it clear my point? Right? So you should be ready for it. If you are not ready, your body and brain not ready, please don't take admission. Clearly, I am saying, if your body and brain is not ready to accept this much syllabus, don't take admission. When you realize, yes, I need this much knowledge, I need to learn this much knowledge, then only take admission. Don't waste your time and money. I will torture you. Pakka. I will trouble you. Daily I will ask questions. Daily I will verify your assignments whether you completed or not. For what purpose I will verify your assignments? To punish you or to correct you? Where you are lagging. Okay, what are the mistakes you are doing? Where you are committing mistake? What is the wrong approach you are choosing? What is the correct approach you have to go? I will check each and every student. I'll come to everyone's seat and I will verify, are you writing program correctly or not? Wrongly you are writing. I'm using caller mic, na? I'll come everyone place. Then online students will ask me, sir, how can you verify me, sir? Okay. Intelligent fellows. Okay. Right. Now in the chat window, you will post your program. I will verify you. Okay. Clear my point? So everyone should participate in the class. You have to take it as an opportunity. You have to come and started work to get the job as early as possible with high package salary. Tell me, what is your target of salary per annum? As a fresher, not experienced. As an expert, how can I get? How as a fresher, how can I get 20 lakhs? Come on, minimum. You have to create some genuine figure. Now being a HK product, are you HK product? Being a HK, hey, what is HK? My name, Hari Krishna. I am HK, you are my product. Okay. Being a HK product, I am fixing the salary minimum 5 lakhs, maximum 7 lakh as a fresher. Okay. Now, if you are trying for experienced job, number of years into 5. Number of years into 5. If you are trying with a 2 years of experience, 2 into 5. If you are trying with 3 years of experience, 3 into 5. That is what your fixed salary you have to try. Are you catching my point? Right. If you good at more communication skills, good at more logical skills, it's up to you. I'm minimum. If I go more 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, that much salary if I fix, your brain cannot accept. So genuine figure I am fixing, and now you have to work for it. That required skills you have to improve. How to improve? All the resources I will give you. Only thing, your free time you have to use properly. That's it. Time management also I will tell you how to manage your time. How many hours you have to study, how many hours you have to eat, how many hours you have to sleep, how many hours you have to chat, everything I'll fix the time. Okay, don't worry. Okay, now final discussion by Java learning is so much simplified in my classes. You will not just learn Java, you will become Pakka software engineer. Okay, it is an offline online training, new batch core Java by Hari Krishna. Now I am covering this core Java with project oriented training with real code snippets and a small program test cases I am taking. I always strongly believe your success is my success. If I don't give you success, next batch, how can it form? My point correct or not? So if your success is my success. Last 18 years I'm surviving in Amirpet industry means it's only because of your senior success. Highlights of this course: Java 8, 9, 10, 11, Java 8, 11, and latest version up to 20 new features will be covered. Every topic will be taught with the compiler, JVM, internal algorithms. I am specialized in that. Okay, internals. Without internals, I never talk anything. 1500 plus interview questions, including latest features. 2000 plus interview questions will be covered up to OCA, OCP. Both together is called OC. JD certification bits will be covered. Chapter-wise project-based case study will be there. That's what I told you. 5 mini projects we are going to develop. You will experience the usage of every chapter in the project development. By combining related chapters, mini projects will be covered. And by end of the batch, you will think like a compiler to pass the written test exam, JVM to understand the flow of the program and project developer to develop the projects in the company. Because I am going in a very systematic way, we means what? Not I, not Naresh IT. We means what? You and me together. We together ensure your first interview is last interview. What is the meaning of last interview? Every interview will get success. Multiple appointment letters will be there in your hand. Whichever company give you more package and Java platform, that company you are choosing and joining. This is what my assurance. If you support me, you will get job pakka easily. And of course, in the coming classes, I'm going to teach first the project architecture and all. So hope you all understood now what I have explained everything. So all are you confident? So today my target, last class agenda is making you understand choosing Java is the right decision or wrong decision. choosing I should go to Python, I should come to the Java, which side I should go. Then what we are doing? We are learning both. We concluded yesterday class conclusion. There are two types of application running in the market. Okay, now both applications we are going to learn Java and Python. Then next point we discuss what course details. What is our course must be? Just learning core Java not sufficient. You should learn core Java and Python with project development. That is the end. And today I gave you complete schedule of our course. How many per day, how many hours we are spending, and how many weekly, how many days we are spending, what the duration of the course, what the fees of the course. Okay, how can you contact me? All the details I gave you, plus syllabus information I gave. So hope these two classes are all. Are you comfortable? Got some clarity what you are learning coming days? Right. All are ready with project to learn with interview questions. So duration is 3 to 3.5 months will be there. You have to be ready for that. Okay, na? And next, per day, you have to spend how many hours for core Java? 4 hours. Homework, classwork, and homework. Okay, na? Right. So today I'm not giving any assignments for you. So tomorrow onwards, assignments will start. So tomorrow we are starting the most interesting topic called types of applications. Standalone applications are there. Internet applications are there. Types of standalone applications. Types of internet applications. Okay, now to develop these standalone applications or internet application, what is the project architecture? To develop this project, what are the different courses I have to learn, and what the meaning of full stack Java development, what the role of full stack Java developer? These are we are learning in tomorrow, day after tomorrow classes. Are you following my point? So by end of the Saturday class, by end of this week, I want to see all you people as project designers. Project designer, possible. I am just a bacha, just started. My friend working in company for 4 years, you don't know how to design the project. Can I do that? Yes, you can. Challenger? By Saturday end, we are designing one big project by including all different technologies running in the market. By Saturday completed, in Amirpet market, you see any pamphlet, any board, every course you are going to know. This is data. Okay. Okay. Right. So this course in the project, this area is going to fit. That entire information you are going to learn by the next 2 days. 2 days are the most important. Don't miss next coming 2 days classes. Clear my point? Thank you. Good night. Thanks for attending the class. Yeah, tomorrow you are going to learn difference between core Java and Java. Jagadish. Yeah, online students. Anyone can learn Java, bhaiya. Don't worry. First you attend these 2 days. Then Monday onwards you can decide should attend or should not attend. Clear my point? Sai Prasanna, please watch yesterday video. You will come to know why I included Python. Okay, na? In the Google Classroom, I have shared video, na? Watch this video. Yeah, main stack is UI. That is fully UI. Node.js will come. Java will not be there. Advanced Java after core Java. I'll tell you next classes. Next 2 classes, I'll give you that clarity. No, with the core Java, you cannot get job. You have to learn advanced Java. Why? When UI, why you come to again Java? Then you want to go UI side or development side? UI means then don't learn Java. Then don't learn Java. Don't waste your time. Not required. You want UI full stack side. Then Java no way fit in your full stack. It's a time waste. Node.js you are using. Node.js and Express.js you are using. So Java, Python, better join only Python. Maybe it will be useful. Java waste, time waste and money waste. Python you learn. Only Python. That will help you. UI backend scripts writing purpose Python will be used, but not Java. Okay, na? UI plus Python, Java plus Python, .NET plus Python, like that. You choose an UI full stack, then Python you learn better.
React separate class, so React market
React only there, Angular not there. Front end, you React only now working. React, backend Node.js, Express.js. Plenty of jobs, sir.
Already knowledge था HTML के तो क्लास में.
Okay.
सर ने सजेस्ट किया कि आपके पास टाइम में कुछ जावा को भी लगा.
Is given. You first fix it. You want to go UI development side, then UI plus Python. I mean, backend development side you want, then come to Java, Python. That's it. Okay, no? Doubts?
We are a little bit confused. Job 3 months is not sufficient for this much course.
No, this is only core Java, not complete Java. No? You have to learn other parts of Java also. In tomorrow class, end of tomorrow class, I'll give you the plan of what are the other courses you have to do. With this knowledge, you will not get job. This is only core Java. What syllabus I shown you, that is only core Java. Java is different. Java means you have core Java, advanced Java, Spring. 3 parts you have to learn. That's why I told you yesterday you attended. Yesterday I told you, right? For freshers, you have to minimum 6 months time required to get the job. In that 6 months, core Java is 3 months. Remaining 3 months, you have to spend for advanced Java other courses. By end of tomorrow class, you are going to get that details. Clear? Okay. Yeah, online students, still you have any questions? Priyansh Gupta, admin will tell you the details, okay? How to do payment, Praveen Kumar, I will tell you later, don't worry. Devika, 7 AM batch will take 1 month time here. In the month of April will come. Yeah, Jagadish. Yeah, you can learn Java, man. Subhash Panda. Tomorrow we will discuss, okay? Tomorrow by end of the class completed, all your doubts will be cleared, buddy. Okay, na? Don't worry. By end of tomorrow class, all your doubts will be cleared. Yeah, Venkatesh. Offline classes always will give you advantage because you can more focus, no disturbance, right? So that's why always I suggest to you offline classes. Thank you guys. I have another class now. See you all tomorrow.